Hello guys, welcome back. So today we are going to do the part third of ecology, environment and biodiversity's MCQs. So the first question is which is the disease caused by nickel? So the options are A itai, B dermatitis and C asthma. So the answer to this question is B dermatitis. Then the next question is what is a disease caused by cadmium? तो उसका आंसर है इटाई. Then the third question, a biological community in its environment such as a pond, ocean, forest is known as A biome, B community or C ecosystem. So it is ecosystem. Then the fourth question, sustainable development goals are to be achieved by which year? A 2020, B 2030, C 2040 or D 2050. So its answer is B 2030. Then the fifth question, first national park of India कौन सा था? तो the options are A Nanda Devi, B Jim Corbett, C Kanha National Park. So its answer is Jim Corbett National Park. Now the next question is which is a disease caused by mercury? So it is Minamata disease. So the next question is the Red Data book is published by, so it's published by IUCN and Red Data book contains all of the endangered species ke naam. Then the next question is most stable ecosystem is A marine, B forest, C mountain or D desert. This was the same question which was asked in the JKSSB supervisor exam. So its answer is marine ecosystem is the most stable ecosystem. Then the next question is sequence phase in successional development. So it is nudation, migration, reaction and stabilization. The 10th question is painkiller given to cattle is responsible for the near extinction of vultures in India. तो वो कौन सी पेन किलर थी? तो इट इज़ डाइक्लोफेनाक, जिसकी वजह से अब उसको हमने बैन कर दिया हुआ है. सो ये कुछ लास्ट में कुछ पॉइंटर्स हैं which goes on like Forest Conservation Act कब आया? तो it came in 1980. Project Tiger came in 1973. प्रोजेक्ट एलिफेंट इन 1992 और अभी 2023 में इन दोनों का मर्जर हो गया है. सो नाउ हम इन दोनों को टाइगर और प्रोजेक्ट टाइगर एंड प्रोजेक्ट एलिफेंट मर्ज होके 2023 में अब कैरी फॉरवर्ड होंगे. लास्टली Kyoto Protocol for the greenhouse gases was held in Japan and it came into force in 2005. So that's all for today's video. ये थे आज के 10 question and plus some facts. Thank you for watching.